It's 20 years and they're no longer innovative and they're no longer sustainable in our eyes.
We have been able to see a peek of their exciting vision during recent tours of their factory in the Aichi prefecture, which is close to Toyota's headquarters. Toyota, led by CEO Koji Sato, is not only generating headlines, but also demonstrating a dedication to change. Join us to know more about what Toyota is preparing to increase the production of electric vehicles and maintain its lead in the electric vehicle race. Toyota's electrification push, Toyota Motor Corp, has made it quite obvious that it is totally embracing the era of electrification, as seen by a recent showcase event that left industry analysts and fans anxiously anticipating Toyota's next actions. This all-encompassing presentation took the form of a well-planned visit to 3 of its cutting-edge facilities in Aichi Prefecture. This exclusive insider look allowed viewers to see not just Toyota's electrification efforts, but also the inner workings of the company's famed manufacturing system. Following an extremely successful demonstration earlier in the year, Toyota made a determined effort to show off its commitment to electrification and innovation. It was made clear that Toyota would not sit on the sidelines while the automobile industry conducts its revolutionary transition towards electrification and automation. The fascinating trip started at Toyota's Teiho facility, where experts gave a detailed presentation on their current work developing innovative bipolar liquid iron phosphate batteries. When these next-gen batteries finally hit the market in 2026 or 2027, the electric car market is going to look quite different. These batteries represent a major technological advance for electric vehicles, since they can be charged to 80% of their capacity in only 30 minutes, enhance the driving range by 20%, and reduce manufacturing costs by 40%. Later on in the tour, visitors learned about Toyota's unique approach to chassis manufacture at the Aichi factory. Toyota plans to simplify the production of electric car chassis by breaking down Tesla's groundbreaking gigacasting technology into 3 discrete components. This new approach has the potential to revolutionize the design and construction of electric cars, and it also offers greater efficiency in manufacturing. Toyota's recent demonstration was a bold proclamation of the company's dedication to electrification and its determination to disrupt the electric car industry. Toyota is a prominent participant in the future of sustainable transportation because of its unrelenting pursuit of cutting-edge technologies and attention to streamlining manufacturing processes. It's evident that Toyota's impact in the electric vehicle environment is only going to grow as the globe anxiously awaits the release of their new battery technology and revolutionary chassis manufacturing processes. Embracing tradition and innovation. Toyota's success in the auto business is a reflection of the company's ability to successfully blend established practices with cutting-edge research. The Toyota Production System, TPS, is the beating heart of this synergistic brew. It is the conclusion of years of research and development aimed at maximizing efficiency in production, while simultaneously minimizing waste and increasing the value of the end product. Self-propelled production lines, effortlessly steered by state-of-the-art sensors, are one of Toyota's most groundbreaking innovations. By eliminating the need for traditional conveyor equipment, this cutting-edge technology has not only streamlined production, but also greatly reduced expenses and increased the company's overall production flexibility. Toyota's dedication to remaining at the vanguard of technological developments in the automobile industry is on full display here. Additionally, Toyota has showcased its own version of the gigacasting technology that Tesla developed. Toyota plans to increase output by a whopping 20% by using quick-replace molds and paving the way for the development of modular components for electric vehicles. Toyota's commitment to embracing and adapting cutting-edge manufacturing techniques is reflected in this forward-thinking strategy, which aims to keep the company at the forefront of the electric car market. Toyota's self-driving transport robots are only the latest step toward greater efficiency at the company's Motomachi plant. These self-driving robot helpers have been put to use transporting cars across vast parking lots, relieving human workers of strenuous manual labor while simultaneously increasing output quality. Toyota's dedication to automation is on full display, and the company's concern for its employees' welfare is reflected in this considerate application of robotics. Toyota's ability to incorporate its deep manufacturing history with cutting-edge technology is evidence of the company's flexibility and dedication to producing high-quality goods in a timely manner. As the automotive landscape evolves, Toyota's commitment to both innovation and efficiency ensures that it remains a dominant force in the industry, setting the standard for others to follow in terms of both tradition and innovation. Toyota's expanding electric vehicle lineup. Toyota is widely recognized as an industry leader in the field of electric vehicles, with 16 models available to satisfy a wide range of consumers' needs and concerns. Toyota's diversified lineup includes 12 different hybrid models, 2 plug-in hybrids, an all-electric BNRX, and the revolutionary Mirai fuel cell vehicle. Toyota's dedication to delivering adaptable mobility solutions is shown in their extensive lineup, which allows buyers to find the car that is the greatest fit for their lifestyle and values. Toyota has come a long way in its electrification efforts, but the corporation is far from finished pushing technological boundaries and increasing its presence in the growing EV industry. One of Toyota's newest additions, the Hilux electric vehicle, will make its debut in the Thai market later this year. Toyota's commitment to expanding its product line to meet the changing needs of consumers throughout the world is on display, with the introduction of its first electric pickup truck. In addition, Toyota is planning to release electric sport utility vehicles, SUVs, in both China and the United States, further strengthening its position in these two vital markets. These SUVs will definitely demonstrate Toyota's dedication to offering high-quality electric vehicles that meet the needs of consumers in a variety of locales. Toyota is investing in local battery manufacture as part of a larger strategy to strengthen its electric vehicle goals and create a more sustainable and locally based supply chain. Toyota's North Carolina plant will produce batteries for U.S. electric vehicles, demonstrating the company's dedication to environmental responsibility and bolstering the development of the electric vehicle industry in the United States. Toyota, along with its subsidiary Daihatsu and Suzuki, is collaborating to meet the rising need for environmentally friendly transportation options in metropolitan areas. Recognizing the need for sustainable mobility options in urban areas, this alliance plans to create a new line of compact electric commercial vehicles. Toyota's EV ambitions. Toyota's CEO, the forward-thinking Koji Sato, has big plans to ramp up the company's manufacture of electric vehicles. Toyota, long recognized as a leader in the hybrid car industry because to products like the Prius, has set its sights on an audacious new goal: the annual production of 1.5 million battery electric units by 2026. The ultimate goal is to produce 3.5 million electric vehicles annually by the beginning of the following decade in 2030. So this great target is simply a stepping stone. Toyota's foray into the dynamic field of electric mobility marks a watershed event in the company's long and illustrious history. Toyota's dedication to electrification is unquestionable, but the company is still far behind market leaders like Tesla and BYD. But Toyota is unflinchingly committed to its course, with ambitions to triple its EV production capacity by the end of 2025. If successful, this initiative will see Toyota producing an amazing 600,000 electric units yearly within a just few years. Toyota, however, continues to stand out from the crowd in the automobile industry despite the widespread adoption of electrification. The company does not want to restrict itself to electric vehicles, which will likely play a significant role in its future strategy. Toyota, on the other hand, is dedicated to its original mission of offering a wide range of products to meet the needs and tastes of its numerous customers across the world. This dedication to variety means that the world of battery electric vehicles may grow in tandem with the established world of internal combustion engines, hybrids, and hydrogen fuel cell vehicles. Toyota's electrification effort, spearheaded by CEO Koji Sato, is indicative of the company's flexibility and vision. Toyota is determined to remain a significant and customer-centric participant in the ever-evolving automotive environment, even as it works to increase its EV output to compete with industry titans. Can this automotive giant, with its legacy of innovation and efficiency, successfully transition into a dominant force in the electric vehicle market?